When the schedule was presented to us, I saw 6 hours. I felt excited kasi nga I like culture running.
Sumali ako sa endurance na 6 hours dahil kasi parang qualifying siya para national team. Tapos pinaghandaan na rin namin yung Australia kasi iba din yung mga kalaban doon, napakalakas ng kalaban.
I don't know if I would discover something again for myself doing the 6 hours. So okay, let's just do it.
It's gonna be a very long day for those who are running the 6 hours. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
The hardest part is the weather. It makes you slow down din talaga. And then it makes the obstacles super hot. So I don't know how much blisters I have on my hand. Kasi nga, the multi-rig was so hot na kanina. Parang 8:30 pa lang, ang dami ko nang nararamdaman sa kamay ko.
Grabe, dami kong paltos. Ang init na kasi, sobrang sakit na. Hindi ko na siya mahawakan yung back. Struggle talaga, lalo na doon sa ring rig, tapos magkasunod pa yung rope climb.
So I tried all the techniques to do the obstacles, pero it keeps ripping. So I stopped doing the multi-rig and just do na lang the penalty.
Grabe kainit talaga, hirap.
I've been thinking of that for the whole week. Ano kayang isipin ko while running for the 6 hours? Because I'm reading kasi this book, the Eat and Run by Scott Jurek. And then he was saying there na you have to empty the mind and then just be in the present. So that's what I was doing kanina while I was running. Parang, okay, I'm running. I have to be in a proper form pa din. I have to breathe properly. It was a good lesson for me. I've been doing ultras before, but I haven't done that one.
Yung favorite ko na experience today yung samahan noong obstacle sports. Dahil grabe yung support nila. Pagod ka na, tapos may nagbubuhos sa'yo, may nagbibigay sa'yo ng pagkain, tapos may nag-cheer.
Everyone else was helping. Logan, sila Alice, sila Coach Nate, sila Coach Sherwin. Nagulat ako na they're just popping out and then, sige, kaya mo yan, no? Slow down lang dito, huwag nyo ipupush.
Dahil sa kanila, pinilit namin na matapos kasi nakakahiya naman na chini-cheer nila kami tapos titigil kami. Kahit napaltos na yung kamay namin, ginawa namin yung best namin.
So I'm very thankful nga talaga for OCR community. It's really different.
Good job, Johnny! Let's go! Konti na lang!
Nung nakaabot ako sa finish line, grabe, sobrang saya ako. Sabi ko, tapos na. Tapos na yung paghihirap. Hindi na ako mapapaltusan. Hindi na masakit yung kamay ko. Nagpasalamat talaga ako sa Panginoon dahil. Siyempre kung hindi dahil sa Kanya, hindi ko ito magawa. Grabing gabay niya sa akin sa araw na ngayon.
I'm very thankful of course, for my partner, Lua. Kasi I know na I needed help. So I prepared all my nutrition and all that she needs to do to help me with the race.
Siyempre, pinasalamatan ko yung pinakatatay ng Philippine Obstacle Sports Federation, Attorney Alagra, si Coach Tambi,
sila Coach P, and for the marshals, they were so patient. They were there with us for maybe siguro 8 hours sila doon.
Full respect. Respect sa inyong lahat. Lahat ng tumakbo sa ilalim ng araw, palakpakan natin. Maraming salamat to our crew. Thank you very much. Abangan ninyo ang 12-hour endurance race and soon after 12 hours 24 hours naman. Muli sa ngalan ng Philippines Obstacle Sports Federation, maraming salamat at magandang